Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make crunchy potato sticks. These are the ingredients that you are gonna need. 500 grams of potatoes that has been steamed, quarter cup of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of corn flour, quarter cup of rice flour, salt and pepper, parsley, and of course if you like it spicy you can add some chili flakes. First, we're gonna mash the potatoes. If you don't want to go through all the trouble, you can just throw them into your food processor and let it do the work for you. And then we're gonna mix all the ingredients into the mixing bowl. Mix all the ingredients until it forms a dough. At this point, your dough might turn out to be sticky, but don't worry. Just make sure that all the ingredients are mixed thoroughly. Once we have a dough, we're gonna put it into a piping bag, or in my case, a Ziploc. We're gonna then pipe it out straight into the pan and deep fry it in the hot oil. Once you've piped out your stick into the pan, let it cook until golden brown. And it's ready to serve.